A lot of traders are asking me, when do you go heavy size on your trade? And my answer is when the trading is A plus trade with you. But what is an A plus setup? And you can actually go heavy on that. The A plus setup is when all the criterias of your strategy matches. Today, best trade was on HOOD, and HOOD was an A plus setup. And I went heavy size on that. If you don't know me, my name is Andrew Aziz. I'm a day trader and I'm author of a best-selling book, How to Day Trade for a Living. In June alone, I made over $1 million profit. And I share this trade real-time at Bearable Traders and in my social media. Watch this recap take you step by step on what I saw, how I managed my position, and why I took a big size on HOOD. Let me know if you have any question in the comments. Amazing trading today we had. Thanks to HOOD. We had a really amazing trading on HOOD today, and I wanted to actually talk to you about the trade that we did on HOOD and PLTR. HOOD was a really A+ trade, and I wanted to tell you step by step that what is an A+ setup for me and how I actually execute an A+ setup. PLTR was also a trade that I didn't capitalize on it very much, and Microsoft was call that I did swing trading last week and I announced it, so I sold some of my position here. So I had 150 calls, I sold 25 calls, and so that's the 25 calls that I sold at 75. So these are LEAP, so for 2027, January 2027, and I still have 125, and then these two are puts, the Microsoft that I sold for July 17th. So these two are going to probably stay pretty good, and this one I probably might hold it for 400 because Microsoft looks like it's really going toward 400. So $77,000 today was really nice for a couple of hours of trading. And as you see, Microsoft, when it went into the oversold, we sold some puts and bought the 340 calls. So that's called LEAP. So if I bring it here, so this is called LEAP. 365 was this area we sold puts. So essentially synthetically long, and then this one we buy the calls at 340 for 2027, and I hope that I can get to 400 on this, and then I probably exit most of my position at 400. That would be a really nice trade. So LEAPs are good for very capital efficient. So you don't need to really have all the $5 million position. So with 100 contracts, you can have like a $4 million position on Microsoft. But let's go through HOOD. So Robinhood today had a really amazing trading day we had on it. So gapped up a little bit at around 113, and then opened very strong, very nice bullish candlestick. So very, very strong here. And so we went long at 115, popped up once toward 117. I added back exactly all the position, 100% of the position that I added back toward 118, 118.50. And I added more on it here at 118.13, went up all the way up to 120. So that was the last piece that we got. Actually, 120.05 is the last price that we did. So and then I got out completely here at 119 because I made most of my money. And, after that was a very interesting trade because, really lost the Viva but sold off completely. So it was a really amazing 5-minute opinion range breakup, 1-minute opinion range breakout. And it was an A+ setup. And I want to talk about what's the A+ setup. So the A+ setup is that when your strategy matches every condition that you originally, develop for your system. So for me, HOOD was the strongest stock. So there are a couple of things that had. So first of all, had a gap up. So in that time was something around 0.3% up to 0.4% gapping up. So that's a strong move for a stock that's gapped up. And then the pre-market price action was very important for me. So the pre-market. So there was a really, really good pre-market activity on HOOD. So let's go through the pre-market. So as you see, this was the previous day close, went up very nice, really good volume in the pre-market as well. So very nice levels and opened very close to the VWAP. And that's another thing, is that when the opening price is that. Opening price was very close to the VWAP, which is good. It wasn't too extended in the pre-market. And what else did happen? So again, this is the pre-market. You see very nice pattern on the pre-market. Opened very strong. So that's what I want. Opening strong is also very important in 1 minute. And is fairly near the VWAP. And this is the most important thing. Market Atlas was really bullish in it. And that's something that is very, very important for me. So the Market Atlas is the depth of market and liquidity. And I'm looking for a very bullish pattern on that. And if it's not bullish, then I might avoid doing that. And let's go through Market Atlas, and let's go step by step and see what we saw in Market Atlas. So this is a screenshot that I took at 9:31:49. So as you see here, I saw the rip that is happening on HOOD. In that time is up 6.5%, if you can see it. It's a little bit blurry, the screenshot, but we saw a big order at 116. So this big order is very important because there's absolutely no order to the downside. Maybe there was a little bit at 115 that got filled here, and there is really nothing to the downside, and then the 116 is a clear order that we saw. So seeing this, everything checked my strategy. So stock is strong, good pre-market, gapping up, and the Market Atlas. These four at the same time was ready for me, and I took the screenshot. And now let's take a look at the time. So I'm going to go to the next slide and just focus on the time that we had here. 9:32:20. Not only 116 got filled, this is the order that 116 got filled just in 1 minute, popped up to 116, I partialed here and partialed here, but also order that started going to the upside, 117, 118, and 118.50. So this is very important because when people start taking their orders to the upside, means that they're expecting that the price is going to go toward that. They're sellers, they're big sellers, but it's very counterintuitive. People are expecting the price is going to go toward them. So that caused me to actually add to my position. So 9:36, so 4 minutes after the first entry, I added heavy to my position at 117. Now we saw the orders at 120. So not only the 117 got filled and 118 got filled, and now we have a little bit of order at 119, but most of the order is at 120. And that is liquidity, they call it veil or whatever you want to call it. That liquidity causes the prices going to go up. Not immediately, but might chop around a little bit, but go up. I do this every single day in the chat room, and I walk you through all of the trades in real time. You can see my screen. Right now, for the 4th of July, we have several amazing deals to join Beryl Traders and also check out Trading Terminal Market Atlas. We have a lifetime membership that gives you access to our community and unlimited bootcamp. If you're interested, check out Beryl Traders or see the link on the comments. And if you have any question, always feel free to email me. And that's exactly what happened. Again, just have a focus on the time that we had. And here, I added even one more time at 118 and then toward the 120. So popped up toward the high of the day, I partialed more, and I really had an order at 120. So this was the order that I put for 120. So this is the order I put for 120. Did I get filled on that? Absolutely. So that's the final screenshot that I took. So this was a 1 minute image breakup, one ad here, one ad here, very heavy profit on that, and we didn't take a big size on it too. I think 5,000-6,000 shares was maximum that I took. So it's a really amazing move on HOOD. And I think at one point when it was 120, I think it was up plus over 10%, I think 11% green on that. So again, so easy to take these trades. If you go step by step, look at everything that you're really looking for. So gapping up, good price action, good pre-market, clear levels into the market. This is also interesting. So we did hit at 120, 120.05. The orders didn't get filled completely, but it really sold off and went down. And that's okay. Even though the order was there, we got a scalp on it. But this Market Atlas is not 100%. You're not going to 100% get to 120 again. Maybe tomorrow, maybe never. We're gonna have this move toward 120. And now that I'm looking at Market Atlas, so if I'm going to bring my Market Atlas here, still there's a big order at 120. But the price action isn't supporting going long right now. It looks like it has really lost the VWAP, and the weakness is there. Market is also pretty weak today, so it might not ever go back to 120 today or tomorrow. So it's very important to have market atlas at your disposal, which is the depth of market. For equities is amazing. We have the same thing for futures as well. So you can actually see for the futures that you can see the big orders to the upside and downside. Right now you have a big order towards 74.80 on the futures, so it's most likely the market is going to pull this toward 74.80. And yeah, that was it. Same trade that we did on PLTR in the morning. I didn't take a screenshot, but PLTR was a really nice 1 minute range breakout as well. I went long a partial sum, and I just didn't want to hold it, and then it did go toward 133, so there was a big order at 133. I got out of it. I think I was really choppy, so I'm glad I really didn't stay in there. I think eventually, did I go higher? No, I didn't, so it really sold off. So it was more choppier. But another thing that I wanted to mention, that HOOD also had a good daily chart. So yesterday we knew that it was a really amazing day for HOOD from 100 to 110, and today was a continuation and really big gap up toward this level. So the daily chart was also really good. So it was a stock A plus setup because the daily was really good, the pre-market price action was really good, gap up was really good, market atlas was really good. So all the criteria. So these are the trades that you can actually be heavy and serious trading them. All right, guys, so thanks for watching. If you have any question, let me know. And yeah, so this month was pretty good for me. Like I made over $1.1 million in June, so that was really, really nice trading. And I'm hopeful that the Microsoft leap is giving us a better profit toward the middle of this month. All right, guys, thank you so much. And if you want to join Market Atlas or Variable Traders, we have 4th of July sales going on. Check variabletraders.com or tradingterminal.com to come and trade with us live.